Alright guys, so in the next few videos, I want to go over probably the most important concept of this chapter, which is recognizing functional groups. Now, I know that you've all heard of this before, that you're going to have to memorize some stuff, you're going to have to memorize what some molecules look like. Hopefully a few of you guys know some of these names from Gen Chem. But regardless, it's going to be fine. I'm going to give you guys enough practice so that by the end of today, you're going to feel pretty confident with these groups. Alright? So let's go ahead and get started. So, what is the entire concept of functional groups? It turns out that before functional groups were categorized, what was happening is that scientists were literally just finding out new molecules and naming them after whatever they wanted. So they'd name some after their cat, they'd name them after their girlfriend, they break up with their girlfriend, and then it doesn't even make sense anymore. And it was terrible. Basically, they had these entire books of just millions of molecules that just had these random names. And you can imagine that if you hate chemistry now, or if you think it's challenging, back then it even sucked way worse. So they decided, okay, early 1900s, let's actually make groups out of this. Let's figure out what these molecules do. Let's figure out if they do similar things so that we can group them together into similar sets of molecules. So now, instead of me teaching you like 1,000 different names, I'm only going to teach you like 10, 14, something like that. Depending on how many you need to know for your book, that's how many I'm going to teach you, alright? So, isn't that a lot better? You guys ready to start? Cool. So, what we group them into is groups of similar functionality. So, go ahead and write that down. That just means we group them into what they do, okay? So, there's certain types of molecules that they just all do the same thing, or they all react in very similar ways, and that's how we group them.